Good morning, all of you students. In the previous lecture, we were discussing about how to discuss continuity in an interval given. Look at on that concept, we will solve some more problems. Suppose if a function is given like this, one, when x is a rational number, zero, when x is not a rational number. Suppose we have to discuss continuity of this function. Continuity of this function. Domain is what? Domain. It is defined for all rational numbers 1. It is defined for all irrational numbers 0. So it is defined for rational as well as irrational. That means domain is R. Domain is R. Right? Let us take rational number. Let x belong. X is a rational number. Rational number. You take any rational number. That means even integer is also rational number 2. Let us take 2. So suppose right hand limit you are finding. Right hand limit you are finding. 2 plus. That means just greater than 2. Just greater than 2, not 2. Just greater than 2. Right? Just greater than 2. Just greater than 2. There will be irrational numbers. This is rational number. No? So just closest to that, there will be between one rational number and next rational number, there will be irrationals. That means just greater than 2 means irrationals. Irrationals will be definition is what? 0. So this is what? 0. That means right limit is 0. So I am taking left limit. Left limit. That means just less than 2. Closest to just less than 2. So there will be irrational numbers. That means that is what? 0. So right limit, left limit is 0 and f of 0. That means at x equal to 0 means rational number 1. Therefore, these three are not equal. So therefore, discontinuous at all rational numbers. Similarly, at x equal to 2, 3 and so on, 2 by 3, same case will arise. 0, 0, 1. That means it will be discontinuous at all rational numbers. So suppose if you take an irrational number, let us say root 2. Let us say root 2. I am finding right limit. Okay. I am finding right limit. That means just greater than root 2. Just greater than root 2. Now just close to irrational number, there will be rational numbers. There will be irrational numbers. In that just not root 2, just greater than root 2, there will be irrational numbers. That means this is what? 1. So just root 2 minus just less than root 2. That means definition will be what? So definition will be root 2 minus means this 1. That means this is 1. Now f of 1 is what? F of root 2 is what? Root 2 is defined as 0. At irrationals, this is defined. Remaining all numbers, this is 1 defined, right? So 1, 1, 0. That means not equal. Therefore, discontinuous at all irrationals. At all x, which is not rational. Irrational. Now you can observe it is discontinuous at all rational numbers as well as at all irrational numbers. Therefore, f of x is discontinuous at every point. Discontinuous at every x belongs to R, at every real value, it will be discontinuous. F of x is not continuous is continuous at 0 points. It will not be continuous anywhere. At every point it will be continuous because it is discontinuous at rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. Therefore, if it will be discontinuous for every real x. Number of points of continuity is what? 0. ఏంటమ్మా చెప్పు. ఇక్కడ రేషనల్ ఉంది కదా, 2 ప్లస్ అంటే జస్ట్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 2 ఏముంటది ఇప్పుడు? ఇది రేషనల్ నెంబర్, దానికి జస్ట్ క్లోజ్ గా ఇర్రేషనల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? అప్పుడు ఏమైంది? 0 అయింది. ఇది డెఫినేషన్. అట్లానే జస్ట్ లెస్ దాన్ టు ఇర్రేషనల్స్ ఉంటాయి, 0, ఇది 1. అట్లానే ఇక్కడ ఇర్రేషనల్ కి జస్ట్ క్లోజ్ టు దట్ దేర్ విల్ బి రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ 1, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ 1, దిస్ ఈజ్ 0. అంటే ఈ అన్ని పాయింట్స్ దగ్గర డిస్కంటిన్యూస్, ఈ అన్ని పాయింట్స్ దగ్గర డిస్కంటిన్యూస్, అంటే ప్రతి పాయింట్ దగ్గర డిస్కంటిన్యూస్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? సో సింప్లీ వెన్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఈస్ డిఫైన్డ్ లైక్ this is not equal to this. Look at 1 is here, 1 is here, 0 is here. 1 never be equal to 0, right? If this and this are not equal, then there will be no points of continuity. No points of continuity. Because these both will never be equal. If these both are equal, then the function is continuous. Then the function is continuous at those points. Look at, suppose one more example. Suppose one more example. 1/2, 1/3. It is defined like this. So this value not. Is there any x such that this is equal to this? No x. So therefore discontinuous at all x belongs to R. Suppose you take another example. F of x equals to x square, x belongs to Q, minus x square, x not belongs to Q. Suppose you have to find out where it is continuous. Just this equal to this. Whatever the values of x you will get, at those points it will be continuous. So at x equal to 0, continuous. At x equal to 0, continuous. At remaining all points, it will be discontinuous. Therefore, interval you have to write means f of x is continuous. Suppose discontinuous you have to write in which interval? Discontinuous for all x belongs to R minus 0. It will be discontinuous for all real values except 0. That means equate this to this. Whatever the values you will get at those points, it will be discontinuous. It will be continuous. At the remaining points, it will be discontinuous. Suppose it is defined like this. Suppose it is defined like this. We have to find points of continuity. Find points of continuity. Find points of continuity. Just equate this to this and find x values. So that implies tan x equal to 1. Tan x equal to 1 means this is tan pi by 4. I have told in trigonometric equations, tan x equal to tan alpha. General solution is, what is the solution? N pi plus pi by 4 where n is an integer. This is x, this is alpha. That means n pi plus pi by 4 where n belongs to I. So at these points function will be continuous. That means n equal to 0, x equal to pi by 4 it will be continuous. N equal to 1, pi plus pi by 4 it will be continuous. Like such type of points, n equal to minus 1, x equal to minus pi plus pi by 4. For all such points function will be continuous because this value will be what? Equal. Whenever x belongs to q, x naught belongs to q, given equate this. Whatever the values you will get, at those points f of x will be continuous. For the remaining points, f of x will be discontinuous. Very important one. Let f of x equals to x square plus 4, x belongs to q, 2 into 1 minus a into x naught belongs to q. Suppose f of x is defined like this. So find number of integer values of a for which f of x is discontinuous for all x belongs to R. Look at the question. Function is given like this. He's asking find number of integer values of a for which f of x is discontinuous for all x belongs to R. That means equate this to this. So for this equation there must be no roots. At what points function will be continuous? If you equate this to this, if you get x values, at those points f of x will be continuous, but it is discontinuous everywhere. That means for this equation you must have no roots. Make the quadratic equation. So for this roots must be imaginary. There must be no real roots. Roots imaginary, then only there will be no values of x for that equation. That means imaginary means what? D less than 0. D less than 0 means b square. B square means this square. Ax square plus bx plus c. 4 into 1 minus a whole square minus 4 into a into c. 4 into 1 into 4 means what? This. So that means 4 ones, 4 fours. I am writing this as 1 minus a whole square as a minus 1 whole square minus 2 square, that is less than 0. Such that I am writing a square minus b square, a minus 1 plus 2 into a minus 1 minus 2 less than 0. I am making the quadratic factor sum. A plus 1 into a minus 3 less than 0. A minus 3 less than 0. That means a belongs to minus 1 comma 3. X minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0 means x belongs to open alpha comma beta. What are the integers in this? This is excluding minus 1, excluding 3. A equal to 0, 1, 2. How many values are there? 3 values are there. Answer 3. How many values are there? The number of integer values of a for which f of x is discontinuous That means these three values. Very important mode. So this equation roots imaginary. Suppose if you ask the question like this, for which f of x has exactly 2 points of discontinuity. That means for this equation, two real and distinct roots. In that case, write d greater than 0. Suppose for this question, he will tell that f of x has only 1 point of continuity. In that case, for this equation, roots are what? Real and equal. Like that you can do, depending on the problem. Suppose next very important point. Next very important. Look it. Let f be continuous. Let f be continuous for all in an interval function is continuous given. Function is continuous given and attains only like this given. Look at only rational values or irrational values. Irrational values, then f of x is constant. Is constant for all x belongs to a comma b. A comma b. Look at. Whenever he gives continuous in an interval and takes only rational values or only irrational values, then f of x is constant for all x belongs to a comma b. Look at one problem. I will explain this with a problem. Look at. Let f maps defined like this R to R, R to R, and f of x takes only rational values. Rational values. If f of x is continuous, for all x belongs to R, and f of 3 by and f of, suppose given like this, f of 2 equal to 5. F of 2 equal to 5. Then number 1, f of 4 by 3 plus f of root 3 equal to dash. Look at. Suppose it is given like this. Then the statement what I have told is, if f of 2 equal to 5, f of x is always 5. Take f of x equal to the value whatever is given. Constant function. That means for all values of x, f of x equal to 5. So f of 4 by 3 is what? This is 5. All values are 5. 10. Y is, look at. Takes rational values means, that means here look at, domain is all real numbers, f of 0, f of 1, f of 2, all values will be rational only. That means look at, f of 2 is given 5. At 2 its value is 5. Like that, for x values, y values will be rational. That means where is the point on the graph you will get? Where is the point on the graph you will get? This, suppose it takes only rational values given. Suppose f of just greater than 2, just greater than 2, there will be irrational number. There will be irrational number. There will be irrational number. It takes only rational values given. Instead of 5, suppose at this point if there is some value, other at just adjacent to, just after 5, just adjacent to, look at, after 5, if you are getting other than 5 any value, suppose here you will get, let us take like this. Here, look at, let us take like this. Suppose at this point you are getting this point, that means that will be what? That will be an irrational number. That means, because close to 5, what it will be? Irrational number will be there. But f of x is taking rational values only given. That means f of 2 point something cannot take an irrational value. That means for all x it must be 5 only. That means its graph will be like this. F of 2, 5, f of 2.0015, all are 5s. Then only it will take all rational values like this. If it takes another rational value 6, graph will be like this. Break again. Break, but it must be continuous. F of 2 is 5. F of 2.001 is 6, let us say. From here, graph breaks there. That means there will be discontinuity then. If for all values 5 means graph will be like this. Graph will be like this. That is f of x equal to 5. Look at, f of x takes only rational values or irrational values, and given that f of 2 equal to 5. If you substitute any x, it must be 5. F of x equal to 5. This is 5, this is 5. Suppose question is asked like this. Sigma r equal to 1 to 100, f of r equal to dash. Look at, question is asked like this. This is what? F of 1 plus f of 2 plus and so on, f of 100. So what is this? 5 plus 5 plus and so on, 500 times 5 into 100, 500. 5 into 100, 500. That is the answer. All values are 5. Suppose question is asked like this. Look at, question is asked like this. Sigma k into sigma r equal to 1 to 15. 15 f of r equals to sigma r equals 6 to 50 f of r, k equal to dash, let us say. Right? K into how many will be there? 5 plus 5 plus 5 and so on, 15 times. 5 into 15 times equals to 6 to 50. How many will be there? 45. 45 into 5. 45 into 5. 5 cancel. K 3's. Therefore, K is what? 3. Like that. Very important model. Whenever it is given like this, take all values 5. Simple. Whatever the value he will give, take that 5. Suppose here 2 by 3 is given. You take all 2 by 3. Look at next. Signum function. Signum function. Signum function. In functions, I have already told. Look at, signum function is denoted by SGN of x. What is this is? What is this is? Definition. Modulus x by x modulus x by x when x not equal to 0. Definition is modulus x by x when x not equal to 0, 0 when x equal to 0. This is the definition of signum function. That means further extending, look at. So look at modulus x is there when x less than 0. When x less than 0, modulus x will be what? X divided by x1. When x less than 0, minus x divided by x. That means minus 1. So when x greater than 0, x by x1 at x equal 0, its definition will be 0. At x equal 0, its definition will be 0. That means, look at signum of x when x greater than 0 is 1. Here, if x is there, if this is positive, definition is 1. If this is negative, definition is what? Minus 1. If this is 0, definition is 0. This is the signum function. Right? So look at suppose signum of 2020. What is the value? Positive means 1. Signum of minus 2020. What is the value? Minus 1. Whenever this signum inside positive, you got right 1. Negative, you got right minus 1. If signum 0 means 0. Signum 0 means 0. That is the definition. Suppose let us check continuity for this function. Look at this function is domain is where? Domain. It is defined everywhere. Minus infinity comma infinity is the domain. Look at for all values it is defined domain. Where the rule changes, only one point rule changes at x equal to 0. Therefore, in an interval you have to check means what I told. Where the rule changes, there you check the continuity. Suppose right limit I am calculating. Right limit is what? Right limit 1. Left limit is what? Left limit is minus 1. Therefore not equal. So signum function is discontinuous at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. Signum function is discontinuous at x equal to 0. Right? Similarly, suppose instead of x, if f of x is there, signum of f of x, what you will get the definition? Minus 1 when f of x less than, just in place of x, you substitute f of x. So 1 when f of x greater than 0, 0 when f of x equal to 0. Signum of f of x. Instead of x, any f of x is there, you write the definition like this. Minus 1 when f of x less than 0, 1 when f of x greater than 0, 0 when f of x equal to 0. Just very important point you have to remember. Signum of f of x will be discontinuous at x where f of x equal to 0. Where f of x equal to 0, very important point. Look at signum of x where it is discontinuous at x equal to 0, at this equal to 0. Similarly, signum of f of x means at which points it will be discontinuous? At the values of x where f of x will become 0. Suppose take an example. Suppose signum of x square minus 4 function is given like this. is discontinuous at x equal to dash. At x equal to dash, what you have to do? Just simply that one make it to 0. That means at which points plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. That's all. You equate it to 0 and find the values of x. How many points of discontinuity will be there? 2 points. The number of points at which it is discontinuous means 2 points. Now it is continuous. Where it is continuous, asked, suppose interval. It is continuous for all. Domain is what? Domain, all signum function domain is all real numbers. For all r minus plus r minus 2. Where it is discontinuous, only at those points. Where it will be continuous then? At all points other than plus r minus 2. For all x belongs to r minus plus r minus 2. Find these points and eliminate from domain, that is r. Like that, a signum function problems, how you will give. Suppose take one problem. If f of x equals to, if f of x equal to sgn of, function is given like this, look at x square minus a minus 1 into x plus 4 plus 4. This is given. Find values of a. Find values of a for which f of x has, for which f of x has two distinct points of discontinuity. Suppose he is asked like this. F of x equals signum of this given. He is asking find values of a for which f of x has 2 points of discontinuity. So this is just like signum of f of x, where it will be discontinuous, you equate that to 0. Equate that to 0. That means if you solve for x, you must get real and distinct roots. Roots real and distinct. Roots must be real and distinct. That means what? Discriminant greater than 0. Discriminant greater than 0. So that means discriminant greater than 0 means b square minus, b square means this square minus 4 into 1 into 4 greater than 0. That means a minus 1 whole square minus 4 square greater than 0. So a minus 1 plus 2, a minus 1 minus 2 greater than 0. So a plus 1 into a minus 3 greater than 0. This is just like quadratic inequality. X minus alpha into x minus beta greater than 0. That means a belongs to minus infinity comma alpha union beta to infinity. That is the answer. Here, two distinct given. Suppose if we tell that only one point of discontinuity is there. Only one point means what? For this, roots are real and equal. Discriminant equal to 0. Suppose in the question he will tell that f of x has 0 points of discontinuity. 0 means what? This equation must have imaginary roots. Discriminant less than 0. Like that you can proceed regarding the roots. The main thing you have to understand is that signum of f of x, we have discontinuities at f of x equal to 0. Look at one more problem. if f of x equal to signum of sine square x minus sin x minus 1 has exactly 4 points of discontinuity in x belongs to 0 comma n pi 0 comma n pi. N belongs to n, then n equal to dash. N equal to dash. Look at this. Look at it. So he is telling that there are exactly 4 points of discontinuity. What are those discontinuity? Just equate that to 0. Points of discontinuity are, equate that to 0. Simple point. First, sine square x minus sin x minus 1 equal to 0. Solve quadratic this sin x equal to minus b 1 plus or minus root of b square 1 minus 4 into minus 1 divided by 2, quadratic equation. You will get 1 plus root 5 by 2, another 1 minus root 5 by 2. But sin x must always lie between minus 1 and 1. So this is greater than 1. This is greater than 1. So this is not possible. This is not possible. Greater than 1 value, there won't be any solution. So this lies between minus 1 to 1 only. That means sin x is what? Sin x 1 minus root 5 by 2. Sin x minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. For this equation, there must be 4 roots. There must be 4 roots. This is negative value. Negative value means x lies where? In which quadrant? In third quadrant or fourth quadrant. X lies in third quadrant or fourth quadrant. You don't know this angle. It lies in third quadrant or fourth quadrant. Look it. This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Right? So look it. In third quadrant, this is 0. Na? This is 0. In third, this is pi. So look it. This is one rotation means this is 0. This is pi. Again, this is 2 pi. Again, this is 3 pi. Look at 0, pi. Then 2 pi. Then again what? 3 pi. Then again this is what? 4 pi, like that. Then again this is what? 5 pi. Look at, in one rotation for this equation there will be one solution here, one solution, let us say alpha here, one solution will be there, x. Let us say in this beta, in one rotation 2 solutions will be there. So 0 to 2 pi, how many? Here one value of x will be there, here one value of x will be there. Next 2 pi to 4 pi, how many? Here one solution, here one solution. 4 you got. That means x will lie in the interval. X in 4 solutions, in which interval? 0 to 4 pi you can write. In 0 to 4 pi, how many? 0 to 2 pi alpha beta, and then 2 pi to 4 pi gamma delta again. So 0 to 4 pi you can write, or 0 to 5 pi also you can write. Because 0 to 5, 0 to 2 pi 2, 2 pi to 4 pi 2, and 4 pi to 5 pi there is no solution. That means in 0 to 4 pi also how many? 4. Therefore answer is what? N equal to 4 or 5. Answer. Just negative value. 1x will lie here, 1x will lie here. In one rotation, 0 to 2 pi, 2x values. In second rotation, 2 values. That means in 0 to 4 pi solutions are 4. You can write in 0 to 5 pi also. Because 4 pi to 4 pi, there won't 4 pi to 5 pi, there won't be any solution. Even in 0 to 5 pi also only these 4 solutions. That means n equal to 4 or 5. If he asks maximum value of n, then what is the answer? 5. If he asks minimum value of n, what is the answer? 4. Like that. Like that signum function. Signum function. We will go to the next problem. Suppose f of x is defined like this. F of x is defined like this: x square signum step x plus fractional part of x 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 sin x plus modulus of x minus 3 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Suppose function is defined like this. Check continuity at x equal to 1 comma x equal to 2. At these 2 points you have to check continuity, whether continuous or discontinuous. Whether continuous or discontinuous, you have to check. You have to check this. So first this fractional part is there. This fractional part, whenever fractional part is there, you write the definition. What is that? X minus step x. X minus step x. Right? Now at x equal to 1, let us check directly. Limit extends to 1 plus. 1 plus. 1 plus means just greater than 1. What is the definition? This one. X square sin 6 signum step x plus this is x minus, you write the definition, x minus step x. Now look at, if just x greater than 1, step x is what? Substitute the value. 1.0001 signum 1 plus x minus, this is 1. Right? Now substitute 1. This is 1 into, if positive is there, what I told, 1 plus 1. Signum 1 is what? When x is positive, its value is 1. I have told the definition. So 1 plus 1 minus 1. What is the right limit? 1. So similarly, left limit. Similarly, left limit. Left limit means 1 minus means again same definition. Just less than 1. Same definition. X square signum step x plus x minus step x. Now just x less than 1 means 0.9999. That means this is what? 0. Step x is what in this case? 0. So write the definition there. 0 plus x minus 0. Now substitute 1. So 1 into signum 0, I told 0 plus 1 minus 0. What is that value? What is that value you got? So 1, right? So now this is also 1. Now f of 1 you calculate. F of 1. 1 is very equal to 1 here. Just in this 1 you substitute 1 into signum 1 plus x just here 1 minus step 1. Signum 1 is what? 1. This is 1 minus 1. What is that 1? Therefore, all equal, continuous at x equal to 1. Continuous at x equal to 1. All the three are equal, na? That means it will be continuous at x equal to 1. It will be continuous at x equal to 1. Now let us check similarly at x equal to 2. Similarly at x equal to 2. So 2 plus I am finding out. Look at limit extends to 2 plus means greater than 2. Greater than 2 means this is the one. So that means what you are getting? Substitute sine 2 plus modulus 2 minus 3. Sine 2 plus 1. Sine 2 plus 1. Next. Limit extends to 2 minus. That means less than 2. Less than 2. This is the definition. X square into signum of just less than 2 means 1.999. This is 1 plus step x is what? 1 I am writing. This now you substitute 2. So 4 into signum 1 is 1 plus if you substitute x equal to 2. So 4 plus 2, 6 minus 1 is what? 5. So therefore look at these two are not equal. These two are not equal. Not equal means what? Discontinuous. Not equal means discontinuous. Discontinuous at x equal to 2. Discontinuous at x equal to like that. Just simple greater than 2. What is step x, right? Signum you know what is the value. If x is positive 1, x is negative minus 1. If x is 0, 0. You have to substitute those values. Look at next. Look at. Suppose a power n I told. A power n. A power n about this I told. When n tends to infinity. When n tends to infinity. Such type of exponential function is there I told. When a lies between 0 and 1, this is 0, right? So when a equal to 1, this is 1. When a greater than 1, it is infinity. I told you. Look at this definition will come here. Now look at. Suppose x power n is there. X power n. Look at here if it's here, if you check the continuity of this function at 1 minus is what? 0. 1 minus is what? Limit 0. 1 plus is what? Infinity. At 1 it is 1. Therefore, at 1 it is discontinuous. Suppose if you get such type of function x power n, this will be discontinuous at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1. Such x power n, just like a power n, in place of a, x is there. This will be discontinuous at x equal to 1. This will be discontinuous at x equal to 1. Suppose f of x to the power n. If you got f of x to the power n, right, as n tends to infinity, as n tends to infinity, as n tends to infinity, this is also as n tends to infinity. As n tends to infinity, f of x to the power n will be discontinuous. Very important point. At x for which f of x equal to 1. F of x equal to 1. Look at example. Suppose he will give like this. F of x equal to limit n tends to infinity x power 2n. X power 2n. Like this he will give. F of x is limit n tends to infinity x power 2n is discontinuous at x equal to dash. At x equal to dash, that means this x power 2n you write like x square whole power n. Whole power n. This base is there. It will be discontinuous when that is 1. When that is 1, that means what is the answer? What are the values you got? X equal plus or minus 1. Just base is there, power is there. You equate that base to 1. X square equal to 1. At these values of x, this function will be discontinuous. Similar to that, a equal to 1, just only a equal to 1 only I have written. So very important models. Look at, he will ask like this. Look at while solving you will get the equations. Look at general solutions. Sin x equal to 0. Solution is n pi, where n is integer, positive integer or negative integer. When cos x equal to 0, you have solved in trigonometric equations. Just remember this: 2n plus 1 pi by 2. N is 0. N is integer, means 0 plus or minus 1 and so on. You remember these two solutions x. You will come across in these problems. Look at. Suppose question is asking like this: find points of discontinuities of number 1. F of x equals to limit n tends to infinity plus 1. For this function, you have to find points of discontinuity. Discontinuity means just a power n, equate that to 1. What is that? Plus or minus 1. What is that? Plus or minus 1. At these 2 points, this function will be discontinuous. This function will be discontinuous. Second, find number of points of discontinuity of f of x equals to limit n tends to infinity cos pi x by 2 whole power 2n in the interval minus 8 comma 8. Minus 8 comma 8 open interval. You have to find number of points of discontinuity of this function. So limit n tends to infinity problems, where will be discontinuities? Leave this n and equate remaining to 1. That means cos square pi x by 2 equal to 1. At these points, it will be discontinuous. That means bring that side. 1 minus cos square is what? Sin square pi x by 2 equal to 0. Sin square pi x by 2 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Let us say capital X equal to pi x by 2. Let us say capital X equal to pi x by 2. This is just like sin capital X equal to 0. What is the solution? N pi. Capital X equal to n pi. Solution. Capital X is what? Pi x by 2 equal to n pi. Pi cancel. X equal to 2n. 2n where n is integer. That means x is even integer. What are the even integers in that? What are the even integers in that? Minus 8 and 8 are not included. Open interval. Plus or minus 6, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 1, comma 0. That means how many? 2, 2, 2, 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Therefore, answer is what? 9. How many points of discontinuities are there? 9. Like that, this is n. If n equal to 0, you will get x equal to 0. If n equal to 1, 2. N equal to minus 1, minus 2, like that. How many even integers are there in this interval? That is your answer, 9. Like that, whenever you got f of x to the power n, that function will be discontinuous at f of x equal to 1. Just leaving the n remaining, you equate it to 1. Okay, coming to the next concept. Okay, coming to the next concept. Checking continuity for composite function. Composite function, it's just like f of g of x. Composite function f of g of x. Look at one thing is f of g of x will be discontinuous. One type of problems is f of g of x will be discontinuous where g of x will become infinity. If g of x is not defined, that means at some value of x, if this is becoming infinity, at that point obviously it will be what? Discontinuous, comma, where f of g of x will become infinity. This function will become infinity. If this completely for one x value it is becoming infinity, that means it will not be defined. That means limit will not be defined. In that case, that point is what? Discontinuity. And if g of x becomes infinity, then that point is also discontinuity. That means look at one problem example. Look at one problem. Find points of discontinuity of points of discontinuity of, you will give a plus sine pi x whole power n minus 1 divided by a plus sine pi x whole power n plus 1. It is given like this. Question he is asking is if a equal to 1, number of discontinuities are dash. Number of discontinuities are dash. Right? So this will have discontinuities where when this is 1, when this is 1, this base is what? When this value is 1, it will be discontinuous. He has given a equal to 1. A equal to 1 means here it is given that x belongs to 0 comma 6. X belongs to 0 comma 6. So this is 1. 1 1 cancel. Sine pi x equal to 0. Sine x equal to 0 means what is the solution? N pi. Therefore, x equal to n. It is n is what? Integer. N is what? Integer. That means what are the integers in 0 to 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. 5 discontinuities will be there. Right? In this interval, that x values you have to find out. So next, suppose another question is asking is, if a equals to 1 by 2, number of discontinuities are dash. Number of discontinuities are dash. Right? A equal to 1 by 2, substitute 1 by 2 plus sine pi x equal to 1. That means sine pi x is nothing but 1 by 2. Sine pi x is nothing but 1 by 2. If you have the equation like this, sine x equal to sine alpha. What is the general solution? N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. That means this is sine x and I am writing it as general solution. Sine pi by 6. What is the solution then? X equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6. Into pi by 6. Calculate x value. This is sin x equal to sine alpha. X is nothing but pi cancel. 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Now you have to calculate x values in the interval what? 0 to 6. Now n equal to 0. N equal to 0 means what? X equal to 1 by 6. That lies in that interval. N equal to 1. N equal to 1 means what? 1 minus 1 by 6. So this lies in that interval. N equal to 2. 2 means what? 2 plus minus 1 whole square. 2 plus 1 by 6, that lies in that interval. N equal to 3. 3 minus 1 by 6. This x lies in that interval. N equal to 4. N equal to 4 means x equal to 4 plus 1 by 6. This lies in that interval. N equal to 5. X equal to 5. This is minus 1 whole power 5, that is minus 1 by 6. This lies in that interval. N equal to 6. If you substitute, you will get 6 plus 1 by 6. This will not lie. It will exceed 6. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? 6 discontinuities will be there. Just write the general solution and then keep on substituting n equals 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whatever the x values are there in this interval, you have to take those. So if a equal to 1 by 2, number of discontinuities are what? 6. Suppose if we ask like this, if a equal to 3, number of discontinuities are dash. That means what you will get? 3 plus sine pi x. 3 plus sine pi x equal to 1. Sine pi x is what? You got minus 2. Not possible. Sine x will lie between minus 1 and 1 only. That means sine x will never be minus 2. Therefore, number of discontinuities 0. The main concept is this equal to 1. After that, you find out according to A. Look at, we will move to next concept. Next concept. Look at. Continuity of composite function. Composite function f of g of x. In functions, we have discussed about composite function f of g of x. Look at. So this type of function f of g of x will be discontinuous when, suppose look at at one value of x, suppose g of x is become infinity. Okay. G of x is become infinity at one value of x. So that means what? That is discontinuity. If this will become infinity, this limit will become infinity. Then in that case, that x value is what? The x where g of x will become infinity is nothing but discontinuity of f of g of x. Such type of x's will be there. Then in some cases, this f of g of x will become infinity. This complete one, if you substitute x equal to that, it will become infinity. That means at such value of x is also called discontinuity of that function. That means simple, where the given function will become infinity, that is one discontinuity. Where this g of x will become infinity, that is one discontinuity. Right? Look at one problem, you will understand. Find discontinuities of y. Discontinuities of y where y equals to 1 divided by u square minus u minus 2, comma u equal to 1 divided by x minus 2. Look at. You have to find discontinuities of this. y is in terms of u and u is in terms of x. This is called composite function. This is f of u, where u equal to 1 by x minus 2. F of u, where u is what? 1 by x minus 2. First look at u. Take u first. Take u. Where it will become infinity? Denominator equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0. This is one discontinuity. This is one discontinuity. If denominator equal to 0, what happens at x equal to limit will become infinity. That means this is a point of discontinuity. For f of u, if u becomes infinity, this will not be defined. That means x equal to 2 is a discontinuity. So next, take y 1 by u square minus u minus 2. Take y. So when this denominator equal to 0, denominator equal to 0, then also it will become infinity. It will not be defined. That means u square minus u minus 2 equal to 0. So that means you factorize this u minus 2 into u plus 1 equal to 0. What are the values you will get? U equal to 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1. But x values you have to find out. U equal to 2 implies u is what? 1 by x minus 2 equal to 2. That implies x value calculate. So what is the x value? X equal to 3 by 2 is one discontinuity. Next, u equal to minus 1 implies minus 1. That means equal to minus 1, x is 1. That means how many discontinuities are there? X equal to 2, x equal to 3 by 2, x equal to 1. Therefore, discontinuities. X equal to 2 comma x equal to 3 by 2 comma x equal to 1. How many discontinuities? 1, 2, 3. 3 values. Simple. This is given like this. This is given like this. Just take u denominator equal to 0. 1 point you got denominator equal to 0. Then take y. If this denominator equal to 0 also, it will become discontinuous. That means this is 0. U values you got. U values you got. From that U value, calculate X value. From this U value, calculate X value. How many are there? 3 values. ఏంటమ్మ డౌట్ చెప్పు చెప్పమ్మ 5 by 2 5 by 2 like that. Look at next. If look at very important questions. If f of x equals to 1 divided by x minus 1, 1 divided by x minus 1, find number of discontinuities of he is asking f of x. F of x. Look at first composite function, that is. First, how to deal with this problem is last f of x you take last one. Where it will be discontinuous, denominator equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0. This is one point of discontinuity. Right? If this will become infinity, this will not be continuous, complete function. Next, add one more f of x. So f of x we will calculate. right? This is nothing but f of 1 by x minus 1. How to calculate f of 1 by x minus 1? Here in place of x, 1 by x minus 1. If we are calculating f of 2, what we will do? We will substitute 2. Similarly, f of 1 by x minus 1 is nothing but 1 by minus 1. What you will get if you take LCM? X minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. 1 minus x plus 1. That means now this denominator equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0. What is that? X equal to 2. That means this will become infinity at x equal to 2. If this will become infinity, this completely will not be continuous at x equal to 2. Therefore, another discontinuity is what? X equal to 2. Next, add one more function. This add one more. That means f of this we have calculated. What is that? X minus 1 divided by 2 minus 6 till here. That means f of this means in place of x you substitute this one. That means this is nothing but 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x minus 1. What you will get? 2 minus x divided by x minus 1 minus 2 plus x. That means what you will get? 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 you will get. Right? Now denominator equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0 means what you will get? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3 by 2. 3 discontinuities. So discontinuities are x equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Answer is what? Here he is asking number of discontinuities. Answer is 3. Answer is 3. Like that simple, like this it is given. First f of its last one. Denominator equal to 0. Next add one more. Calculate this. Denominator equal to 0. 2. Next add one more. Calculate this. Denominator equal to 0. That means 3 discontinuities will be there. Look at next. Look at one more model. F of x equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Find discontinuities of f of and so on 2020 times. 2020 times. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Now he is telling 2020 times. So no need to get scared of 2020 times. Just start like this. Finally f of x will be there. Finally f of x will be there. That means last f of x you take. So denominator equals 0. This is one discontinuity. Then add one more. We will check. Then add one more. F of 1 by 1 minus x. Calculate this. 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x. What you will get this? This you will get 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x minus 1. That means if you strike off minus by taking common, x minus 1 by x, denominator equal to 0. X equal to 0. This is one discontinuity. Next, proceed like that. Proceed like that. Next, one more. Next, if I see f of x. One more I am adding, right? F of, till this calculated na. So x minus 1 by x. That means 1 divided by 1 minus, this you will get x divided by 1. X divided by 1. So denominator is 1. There is no denominator, no discontinuity for this. No discontinuity for this. Because there is no denominator, na, there won't be any discontinuity for this. So look at this x you got, there you stop. No need to do next. Whenever you got x, you stop the procedure. That means discontinuities are, why you have to stop, I will tell. Discontinuities are, what are those? First x equal to 1, x equal to 0. These two. Answer is 2. Why means, next if you calculate, what you will get? One more if you add, look at what you will get. This still here is x. F of x is what? When you equate to 0, same thing you will get again. The same thing you will get. Next, one more if you add, then you will get this one. Same thing you will get. That means after that, if you find out the same values you will get. X equal to 1, x equal to 0, like that it will repeat once again. That means you do the procedure till you will get x. There stop. Then what are the discontinuities? 1 and 0. After that, the same thing will repeat again. That is still like this. Number of brackets are more. Very important model. Number of times he will give. Look at next. Look at next. Functions will be given like this. Look at. Function is given as x square into SGN of step x. I have told signum function na. SGN into step x plus fractional part of x. It is defined like this in the interval 0 to 2. 0 to 2, and it is defined as modulus of x minus 3 between 2 to 4. Function is defined like this. Function is defined like this. Now check continuity at number 1, x equal to 1. Number 1, x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Simply, function is becoming more, it is seeming to be more difficult, more typical, but doing will be very easy. Look at 1, simply write limit. Simply write limit. Simply write limit. X square into, write this. Greater than 1, just greater than 1. This is step x plus fractional part of x. You write just like x minus step x. Whenever fractional part is there, you write x minus step x. Now look at this step x definition. You have to write x just greater than 1. X just greater than 1 means 1.00001. That means this definition will become what? This is 1. Write that 1 in place of step x. X square into signum 1 plus x minus 1. This is given, right? Now substitute 1. Now substitute 1. 1 into 1 into signum 1 plus 1 minus 1. What you will get? Signum 1 I told. If x is positive, this value is what? 1. If x is negative, value is minus 1. This is what? 1. 1 into signum of positive value 1. So answer is what? Right limit is 1. Right limit is 1. Next, left limit I am calculating. Left limit I am calculating. X square into signum step x. When x is just less than 1, same thing. Same thing, just less than 1 also. Same definition is there. I have written. So now, when x is just less than 1, that means 0.99999. This step x definition will become 0. SGN of 0 plus x minus 0. This is the definition. So now 1 you substitute, 1 into signum 0 is what? 0 plus here is what? 1 minus 0, 1. So therefore left limit is what? 1. Now these both are equal. F of 1 you have to calculate. F of 1. It is not sufficient, these both. These both are not sufficient. F of 1. F of 1 means at x equal to 1, what is defined? There you substitute 1. Signum of 1. If you substitute 1, step 1 is what? 1 plus x minus step x. This is x minus step x na. 1 minus step 1. 1 x minus step x. X is 1. 1 square into this is 1. 1 plus 1 minus 1. 1. Therefore, this all are what? Equal. Therefore, continuous. Continuous at x equal to 1. Like that simple function may seem to be difficult, but at particular point if you have to calculate, this step x has one definition, write that definition. Then substitute, signum 1, what is that? You can calculate right limit, you can calculate left limit. After that f of 1, where x equal to 1 is there, you substitute x equal to 1, then you will get that value. If these three are equal, function will become what? Continuous. Like the typical function also, you can calculate right limit, left limit, f of 1. Patti, ఏంటమ్మా చెప్పు డౌట్ అని చెప్పమ్మా. ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ లుక్ ఇట్. ఫంక్షన్ అనేది మనకు చాలా టిపికల్ గా కనపడుతుంది. మనకి జస్ట్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ దట్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్, జస్ట్ లెస్ దాన్ దట్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్, అండ్ దెన్ f of a that you have to calculate. Suppose look at next. Another function is defined like this. Another function is defined like this. F of x equals to, this is step less than or equal to 1, and it is defined as modulus of x minus 2 1 to 2. 1 to 2. In the exam he will give like this sum. This bracket is GIF. That indicates that this is step of. Step denotes greatest integer function. If it is given this, you can take it as step. Otherwise, it will become normal bracket. Normal bracket. If it is given like this, then take step. So look at minus half to 1 defined, 1 to 2 defined. Now you have to check continuity at number 1. Number 1, x equal to 1. Continuity at x equal to 1. Let us check. Just simply right limit you calculate. Right limit. 1 plus what is defined? This function only, modulus x minus 2. Modulus x minus 2 means 1. Modulus of minus 1 is what? 1. Right limit is 1. Let us calculate left limit. 1 minus, what is that? 1 just less than 1 means this is the one step. When you are doing with this, don't substitute x equal 1 here. This definition you must write and then you have to calculate limit. Don't substitute 1 directly. Whenever step is there. Now look at x 1 minus means x less than 1. X less than 1. Right? So now you have to calculate cos pi x. This value lies where? This pi x is their angle. That pi x will be just less than pi. This angle cos pi x is there. If x is less than 1, multiply with pi. Pi x will be just close to pi, less than pi. Now you know cos graph. Look at, consider the graph. Cos graph is there. Till pi you draw. Till pi. Look at, this is 0. So this is pi by 2. This is pi. At pi its value is minus 1. Now what you want? This pi x angle, what it is, then you need cos x value. This angle pi x, that is just less than pi. Just less than pi means where is its value? Cos value. Just close to pi, less than pi. If you see, where you will get value? Very close to minus 1 you will get. Here is the graph. Very close to minus 1 you will get. That means when x less than 1, pi x will be less than pi, cos pi x will be a value between minus 1 to 0, or otherwise just minus 0.99999. That means step of minus 0.99999 is what? That means that definition will become, this definition will become minus 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1. Just x less than 1. This angle you find out. Pi x will be just less than pi. Just less than pi means here. Where is the y value? Cos pi x value just close to minus 1. Less than, greater than minus 1. That means it lies between minus 1 to 0. If anything, if any value, this lies between minus 1 and 0, step is what? Minus 1. You take minus 0.999. Step of minus 0.999 is what? Minus 1. That is the value. Similarly, look at these two are not equal, therefore discontinuous. Discontinuous at x equal to 1. Simple. When trigonometric function is there, approach the graph. If this angle is like this, cos value where it is, you can easily find out. Suppose look at next one. Suppose at x equal 1 by 2, we have to check. At x equal, second question is, suppose the same function 1 by 2. I want to check it 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now I am calculating right limit. 1 by 2 plus just greater than 1 by 2. This is pi x. This means what? Actually x greater than 1 by 2. This angle is there. Multiply with pi. This angle is just greater than pi by 2. Just greater than pi by 2 means where it is? Here look at. Just greater than pi by 2 means, just greater than pi by 2 means here it is. This is pi by 2. Just greater than pi by 2 means where its value will be? Very close to 0 and less than 0. That means this cos pi x value will lie between minus 1 and 0. That means here very close means very close you will get minus 0.00001. That means step x will be what? Step x will be limit x tends to 1 by 2 plus this is minus 1. That means answer is what? Minus 1. Minus 1. Suppose if you calculate pi by 2 minus this Now this is x less than pi by 2. So x less than pi by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. X less than 1 by 2. Now multiply with pi. Pi x will be less than pi by 2. That means pi x will be just less than pi by 2. Just less than pi by 2 means here. Where is the graph? Y value will be somewhere here. If just less than pi by 2, it will be just close to 0. That means 0.00001. That means its value is what? This lie between 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means step value is what? Step value is 0. 0. Left hand limit, right hand limit, both are not equal. Therefore, discontinuous. Let x equal to what? 1 by 2. Like that, simple. Right limit, left limit. If both are not equal, no need to calculate f of 1 by 2. If both are equal, we will calculate f of 1 by 2 also. Both are not equal. Na? Look at function is looking typical step of cos pi x modulus. Everything is there. At this point, it will become easy. Because close to it, how the angle will be and cos value will be, we'll check out. Look at next. Look at f of x is defined like this. F of x is defined like this. 1 plus x, 1 plus x, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 minus x, 2 less than x less than or equal to 3. Defined like this. And another function is given g of x equal to f of x. Composite function. F of x means what? Composite function. Then g of x is a continuous at x equal to 1, b discontinuous at x equal to 1, c continuous at x equal to 2, d discontinuous at x equal to 2. Look at here, two definitions are given here. Two definitions for f of x is given. Previously we have done one definition only, it is there. F of x is given just like that, one definition. If two definitions are given, how to deal with it? Look at composite function. Now you have to check its continuity at x equal to 1 and at x equal to 2. Look at first at x equal to 1. So what you need to calculate? Limit x tends to 1 plus g of x. G of x means what? Limit x tends to 1 plus this. While dealing with composite function, always that inside function you take that as some t. You take that as t. You take that as t. This will become f of t. Now t tends to what you have to write? This complete limit you convert into t. Now look at x tends to 1 plus implies t will tend to apply for this limit.
limit extends to 1 plus f of x.
Right? If x t is f of x, where t will tend to? If x tends to 1 plus, t will tend to limit of this when x tends to 1 plus. Now look at it. So this is what this we will calculate x greater than 1. X greater than 1. F of x is defined. Limit x tends to 1 plus means x is just greater than 1. Just greater than 1 definition is what?
That means this is nothing but limit extends to 1 plus
F of x is what?
1 plus x.
So this limit will become what?
1 plus 1, 2. That means t will tend to 2.
But look at, you have to write either 2 plus or 2 minus. That means look at, x is greater than 1 here. So when x is just greater than 1, this 1 plus x is what? 1 plus 1.00001. That means this is actually 2.00001. That approaching value we will write 2. That means this value is what actually greater than 2. You write 2 plus. Limit is 2 only. But t will tend to what? More than 2. More than 2 it will be. T tends to 2 plus. That must be important. Just that will be calculated. Limit is 2. Plus or minus what you, how you have to write? Just greater than, you calculate this value 1 plus 1.00001. Right? What is that? More than 2. That means you write 2 plus. That means if x tends to 1 plus, t tends to what? 2 plus. F of t. F of t. Now look at, now this is greater than 2. T is greater than 2. F of, where is greater than 2? Greater than 2 means f of x is what? 3 minus x. F of t means what? Just in place of x you write t. 3 minus t. Instead of 3 minus x we will write 3 minus t. This, now you substitute 2. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. That means limit extends to 1 plus value is what? 1. Right? So then limit extends, look at, whenever you are dealing with composite function, this take it as t. I want to convert this completely into t. When x tends to 1 plus, t tends to, apply limit extends to 1 plus f of x. Limit extends to 1 plus greater than 1 means what is defined? 1 plus x, substitute that, you got limit 2. You write either 2 plus or 2 minus. Substitute 1.0001. This is greater than 2. That means 2 plus. Limit t tends to 2 plus. X tends to 1 plus means t tends to 2 plus f of t. Now you got the function definition. F of x. When t is greater than 2, what is the definition? This. F of x is 3 minus x. F of t is what? 3 minus t. Therefore 3 minus 2, that is 1. That means for this function right hand limit is what? 1. Similarly, I am calculating limit extends to 1 minus f of x. Now again I am taking t equal to f of x. T equal to f of x. Now x tends to 1 minus. T tends to, where t will tend? That limit 1 minus f of x. So this limit how to calculate? Limit extends to 1 minus, for less than 1 what is that? For just less than 1 this is the one. Now this limit if we substitute 1, this is 2 only. 2 plus or 2, 2 plus or 2 minus here. 1 minus means just less than 1. 1 plus 0.99999. 1.99999. That means it will tend to 2 minus. Less than 2. It will tend to 2 minus. That means here you will get limit t tends to 2 minus f of t. Right? So this is what? Less than 2. Less than 2 definition is what? Less than 2 definition is 1 plus x. Less than 2 definition is what? 1 plus x. That means 1 plus t.
Substitute t equal to 2, that is what, 3.
3. Now look at right hand limit not equal to left hand limit. Right hand limit not equal to left hand limit.
Therefore, what can you say about it? X equal to 1. Discontinuous at x equal to 1.
That means g of x equal to f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 1. Right limit, left limit not equal, therefore discontinuous. So discontinuous at x equal to 1. Let us check at x equal to 2. Let us check at x equal to 2. Now again observe clearly for x equal to how I am doing. At x equal to 2. Limit extends to 2 plus f of x. Now I am taking f of x equal to t. So x tends to 2 plus implies t tends to limit extends to 2 plus f of x. T tends to limit extends to 2 plus f of x. What is that? 2 plus greater than 2. This is 3 minus x. This is 3 minus 2, 1. 1 plus or 1 minus, look at 2 plus means greater than 2. 3 minus 2.00001. If you delete 2, it will become 1. If you delete more than 2, 3 minus 2.0001, it will be less than 1. That means 1 minus. Less than 1 value. That means 1 minus. That means limit t tends to 1 minus f of t. That means here t is less than 1. Less than 1, what is the definition? Less than 1 means this is the definition. That means limit t tends to 1 minus, this is 1 plus t. That means 1 plus 1. That limit is what? 2. That limit is what? 2. So left hand limit of g of x at x equal to 2 is what? 2. Or I mean right hand limit. Right hand limit. Right? So left hand limit I am calculating. Left hand limit, that means 2 minus f of x. F of x. Now I am taking f of x equal to t. If x tends to 2 minus, t tends to limit extends to 2 minus f of x. That means limit extends to 2 minus x less than 2 definition is what? Again 1 plus x. Again 1 plus x. Now if you look at this limit is what? 3. This limit is what? 3. 2 minus less than 2. 1.99999. This is what? 2.9999. It will tend to 3 minus. It will tend to 3 minus. That means limit t tends to 3 minus f of t. 3 minus means what? Less than 3. Less than 3, what is the definition? 3 minus x. So 3 minus t. 3 minus t. That means 3 minus 3. That means what? 0. Now look at left hand limit and right hand limit not equal. Therefore discontinuous at x equal to 2. That is the answer. Discontinuous at x equal to 2. చెప్పమ్మా హర్షవర్ధన్ 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 చెప్పు ఆ? ఆ? ఇదే
ఇది 1 మైనస్ ఎలా వచ్చిందంటావా? 1 మైనస్ ఎలా వచ్చిందంటావా అంటున్నా. చూడు, నువ్వు సింపుల్ గా 2 ప్లస్ కదా, 2 ప్లస్ అంటే 2.0001 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయి. వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది నీకు? 0.99 సంథింగ్ వస్తుందా? అంటే 1 కంటే తక్కువే కదా మరి ఉండేది. 1 మైనస్ లిమిట్ 1 వస్తుంది. 1 మైనస్ రాయాలా 1 ప్లస్ రాయాలా అంటే ఈ వాల్యూ గనక లెస్ దాన్ 1 ఉంటే 1 మైనస్ రాయాలి, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1 ఉంటే 1 ప్లస్ రాయాలి. అర్థమైందా? అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ చూడు, ఇక్కడ చూడు, నీకు అర్థమైంది. 2 మైనస్ కదా, 1 ప్లస్ 2 3 లిమిట్. 3 ప్లస్ రాయాలా 3 మైనస్ రాయాలి. 2 కంటే తక్కువ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఇది కనుక్కో వాల్యూ ఎంత. 1.9999 అంటే 2.9999 3 కంటే తక్కువే ఉండేది. 3 మైనస్ అది. అర్థమైంది కదా? ఓకేనా? రైట్. Look at next. Some functions he will define like this. Look at, he will not give definitions like this. Modulus. Suppose you take one function. It is defined in -1 to 2. -1 to 2. Right? You have to find discontinuities of this function in -1 to 2. You have to write separate rules. Step x is there. Based on that, look at, I am writing this as modulus step x into modulus x. Look at, you have to write separate rules for step x. Look at how to write rules is, this step x is there. I have told -1 to 0. Here if x lies between -1 to 0, step x value is what? -1. You substitute that rule, this modulus x, keep it like that. Step x rules you write -1 to 0. Step x is what? -1. This is the definition. So next is 0 to 1. Here no need to write equal to, because he has given in the open interval na, -1 to 0. n plus 1. What is that n? Now 0 close to 1. Step x will be what? 0. Modulus 0 into modulus x. Next from 1 to 2. 1 to 2 step x is what? Modulus 1 into modulus x. Only at x equal to 2. Only at x equal to 2 means this will become substitute 2. Step 2 into modulus 2. So this is the definition. That means what is the definition you got? If you write the definition, it will be easy. Modulus x less than 0, right? So this is 0 to 1. Now this is 1 into modulus x when 1 to 2, 4 when x equal to. Where you need to check, where it is changing the rules. Where it is changing the rules, 0, 1, 2. At these points you need to check. Function changes rule at 0, at 1, at 2. That means at these points we will check out. 0 plus right limit is what? 0 plus right limit is what? 0. 0 minus left limit is what? Look at 0. F of 0 is necessary. F of 0 is what? At 0 this is what? 0. 3 are equal. Therefore continuous. Next at 1. 1 plus. This is right limit. 1 plus. 1 plus means this is the 1. If you substitute 1, what you will get? 1. 1 minus what you will get? Less than 1, 0. Both are not equal. Both are not equal. No need to calculate f of 1. This. So next 2. 2 plus. 2 plus is what? 2 plus 2 plus is not there. 2 is the last point. Last ending point. Na? Minus 1 to 2 domain. Ending point is 2. There you calculate only 2 minus. 2 minus means what? 2 minus is 2. F of 2 is 4. So discontinuous. Discontinuous. That means discontinuous at 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. If the rules are not given, based on step X, you write the rules like this, and then where the function is changing the rules, at that point you check out the discontinuities. That means except 1 and 2, function will be continuous everywhere. Like that, for some functions you have to write rules on your own. Look at next one more problem. Okay, time is up now. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.